Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be unboxing Trainz 2004, Trainz 2006 Collector's Edition, and yeah, and also gonna be comparing these two. So it's unbox Trainz 2004. So it's already slightly open. So yeah. Stupid tripod. And one game is it. We covered the serial number. So yeah, it comes with 2 discs. So we got disc 1, which is, I don't know what that is for, and disc 2 for installation. Okay. Alright. So yeah, that's Trainz 2004. And now we're gonna go to Trainz 2006 Collector's Edition. So let's do that. Here is Trainz 2006 Collector's Edition. And this one didn't come with a serial number, which is okay, I guess it was news. But yeah. So they look very similar, but it comes with 21 extra roots here. The phone number is 1 to 4, okay. And yeah. And the rating's a little bit, so half here's like the modern one. I've got here's like the classical, old school Peggy rating. And I don't know why I wanted to point that out, but whatever. And here's the back of both. Yeah, I showed this in one of my Trainz Ride videos. I think this one as well. I don't know what birth this F40PH hood comes from. Yes. And we also got here is the maglev. So yeah, that's it. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.